this is the whole trail. So this side you can actually like walk and then do your trek if you want. Like you can go further up that side, see that mountain, and beyond that mountain you see those ranges behind. Those are all Manipur. So apparently, from what I heard from the guys down there, there's an army camp over there. They told us that this is the last village of Nagaland, and this is Zhavame. Yeah, I'm not sure if I pronounced it right, but that's the last village of Nagaland. Beyond that is Manipur and those ranges. So we will actually go back to those small villages and then like one mountain after the other and head back to Kohima. It should be roughly about like 3+ hours of drive, but this view is amazing. That's where we camped up there. That's Frost Wolf in action. And then yeah, wonderful, isn't it? It's beautiful, lovely. You should come here. And it's quite scary up here. The cliff, it just goes all the way down. You see the spirals, the road. We took that way, and so feel so satisfied now. Heading back for the last time. Enjoy the view.